point of view from those planes up there, seeing all the different fireworks from the different places. Oh, that drone's super close. Wow, that drone's real close. See it? See how close it is?
Unless that's a news drone.
No, even they wouldn't. They're not allowed to do that.
How do they figure out who got that?
They can. There's ways. Yeah.
How?
There's a system that law enforcement has that they could track it. They can figure out the name of the person. They can force it to land. They probably don't have it out here right now, though. Unfortunately. If that person was smart, they'd disable those lights. There's a way to do that. A plane coming in right now.
Nice to see.
Yeah. Plus, you can see all the different municipalities' fireworks going off. You should see what it looks like going down 95. Where'd Tater go? That was a big one. I like the real big ones. The big boom. It's amazing how long the sound takes to travel. Because it bursts, and that's usually the sound, but then it takes a second to get here. We had a perfect view.
I know. Couldn't be any better. They don't have any of the ones that look like a picture.
Kind of sucks, to be honest, the fireworks are shooting. They're not shooting like really nice fireworks.
Sometimes they shoot them like a flare.
I like that.
Yeah. I like this.
I like the big ones. Oh, here we go. See, like that, that's nice. That's cool. I hope that drone gets hit by a firework.
It's not like Disney.
No. Disney is better.
Oh. Disney spends like. We spent $100,000 every time they go. Or
Well, they spend good money on this too. Wow. Tater, you watching the fireworks? Yeah? You're watching with us? Oh, she wants to come out. She wants to come out. Come out. Oh, come on. Come on, Tater. Boo-boo. Yeah, just leave her. We tried. She's watching though. Now she's scratching again. No, that green is up there. That green light up there is the drone. There's one like right there. See it? Green and red.
It's right over.
Yeah, it's like right in the fireworks. I'd laugh if it does. It serves them right.
Turn red. See it?
Yeah.
What's that mean?
It just goes right from green to red. Ooh, that almost hit it.
It's literally it's like a few feet, like 20 feet.
Yeah, less than that. There's two of them. There's another one right there. There. That one's going. The one over there, they're flying from the roof, from the parking garage. The other one's going back out now. Here goes another person trying to move the barriers. They're full of water. Yeah. He's gonna have to rub it like the Mustang did, because he ain't gonna make that. No, but the Mustang couldn't even fit through there, so if Mustang couldn't, well, he's gonna hit the curb. He's better off though. Here comes another guy. He ain't even, look, see, they don't even stop to put it back. That's what's fucked up. Yeah, it's like the Tesla. No, it's not a Tesla, but the Tesla's like that too. See, at least this guy's putting the barricade back. I think this is the finale. What do you think, Dad? This is the finale? 15 minutes.